A very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and sound at your place and you all are completing your work on time. Dear students, as you can see, this is our grammar book, that is Grammar Way. So we are going to start the next and the new chapter of English grammar. So everybody, take out your English grammar book, open chapter number 8, that is doing words. So we are going to do this chapter today. Okay, doing words. So you all have to write on date and the great task, as today is 26 July 2021. So you have to write down date and the great task on the top. So what we are doing today? We are doing words. So these are doing words. So let's get started. Open the book, write on date and the great task fast. Then we start with the doing. So first of all, let me tell you what are the doing words. I hope you all have written date and the great task on the top of your book of chapter number 8, that is doing words. Okay, so what are doing words? Doing what? Whatever we do. We play, we dance, we eat, we sleep, we sing, we cook, we wash our clothes, we brush our teeth. So whatever we do, that is a doing word. Okay, like you're listening to me, so what you are doing? You are listening. So listening is also a doing word. What I am doing? I am teaching you. So what I am doing? Teaching. So teaching is also a doing word. What your mama is doing? Mama is helping you. So what mama is doing? Helping. So helping is a doing word. So doing word is whatever we do, that is called a doing word. A doing word tells us what someone or something does. What we do means what you do, what I do, what someone or something does. Okay, we call it an action word also, or we call a verb also. So doing words are also called action word and a word. Okay, so let me show you some examples. You can see here some pictures are there. In this picture you can see mother is cooking. So cooking is a doing word. In this picture, teacher is there, students are there, and teacher is teaching. So teaching is the doing word. And in this picture you can see brush is written, catch is written. So brush your teeth means what you have to do? You have to brush your teeth. So brush is the doing word. What the boy is doing? Catching the ball. So catch is the doing word. Okay, let's read more sentences. Arun drinks water. So what Arun does? Arun drinks water. Okay, next. The girls are playing badminton. So what girls are doing? They are playing. So playing is also a doing word. Okay, I am listening to my teacher. You are listening to me. So listening is also a doing word. Father is driving the car. Father is washing the car. So driving, washing are also doing word. So this is your book, chapter number 8, doing word. I hope you all have written date and great task on the top, as I have shown you date and the great task. It is written on the top 26 July 2021. Okay, so we are doing this page today. First of all, let me tell you about this page. So I told you about doing words. A doing word tells us what something or someone or something does. A doing word is also called an action word or a verb. I told you already. So let's read more sentences. You can see here more sentences are there. Let me zoom it. Yes. So the child dances well. The baby cries loudly. The birds fly high in the sky. Grandma and Simran read a storybook. So child dances. Dances is a doing word. The baby cries. What baby does? Baby cries. Cry is a doing word. The birds fly. What birds do? Birds fly. So fly is the doing word. Which action is there? Here action is flying. The birds are flying. So fly is the doing word. Grandma and Simran read a storybook. So what they do? They read a storybook. So what is action here? Reading. They are reading. What they are doing? क्या काम कर रहे हैं? Reading कर रहे हैं. So that is the action word. Action word means काम करना. What work you are doing? That is action word means doing word. Okay. So let's start. You can see here in this exercise some words are given to you and these are unscrambled. So you have to make it correct. You have to rearrange it and you have to make a correct doing word. Okay. So when you will rearrange it, it will become listen. Then next is K-N-O-C-K, knock. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. W-A-T-C-H, watch. And S-H-O-U-T, shout. So when you will scramble these words, unscramble these words you can see it. Words will be there. Okay, now let's move to the next page. You all have to open this page in your book 22. So in this page, underline the doing words in these sentences. You have to underline the doing words. Whatever is doing word, that you have to underline. Okay. First, Dr. Verma examines the patient. So what Dr. Verma does? Examines. Which action is going on? Examining. He is examining the patient. So examine is the doing word. Next, Neha squeezes the lemons into the jug. So squeezes in Hindi we say nichodna. So Neha is squeezing the lemon in the jug. So what she is doing? She is squeezing. So squeeze is the doing word. Next, the train rumbles through the tunnel. Rumble means gad 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 ki sound is coming. That gadgadahat we say. When train is going through the tunnel, so that gad gad sound is coming. Sound becomes different. Okay, so rumbles, we call it rumbles. So train rumbles. So rumbles is the action word. The children play with their toys. So play is the action word. The policeman searches for clues. So search is the what they are doing. They are searching something. They are finding something. So action is going on. Search. They are doing search. So searches is the doing word, action word. The rocket blasts off in the sky. So blast off is also a doing word. Clear? Okay, so let's move to the next question, number C. In this question, what you have to do, you can see some pictures are given. In this picture, girl is drinking water. He is playing on the slide, and Anuj is flying kite. Arjun is doing skating. So Dinesh is riding bicycle, and Anita is playing with the football. So this is there. So you have to make the picture like this. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentences using suitable doing words to describe what these children do every day. So what you can see the picture, what they are doing every day. Okay, so you have to make the sentences accordingly. So you can see here two sentences are already done. Anu drinks a bottle of lemonade every year. So she drinks a bottle of lemonade. We can say, if we don't know it's lemonade or it's water, so we can write water also. Everything you can make it in your own way. That is up to you. So next is Raju plays in the park every evening. So what they do every day. So you have to see every day or daily word you have to use. Okay. So these two are already done. And this you will do. We will do like it. You have to make it on your own. Okay. Let's move. Anuj. So let me show you once. Picture are there. Yes. Okay. So you can see here Anuj. He's flying kite. So Anuj flies kite every day. Okay, so every day we have to use daily or every day. Next you can see Arjun practices skating every day. Dinesh. So Dinesh, what he's doing? Dinesh rides bicycle in the park every day, daily. It's up to you. Want to write, you can write. Anita. So Anita is playing football. Anita plays football daily. Okay, so in this way you have to make it. Okay, clear? Easy. Now let's see next question. But it is very easy. You can see. You just have to. Some letters are given to you. A, B, C, D. We know, no? So like you have to see this. Like it is A. So you have to write an action, but which starts from A. Arrive. Okay. Allow. So you cannot write aeroplane. No. Aeroplane is the name of a thing. It's not an action word. क्या हो रहा है? Aeroplane हो रहा है. No, this is wrong. Arrive. Arrive होता है. Arrive means come. आना. So what is going on? आना. He is arriving. Clear? B. B for bath. So what you do? We do bath every day. So bath is action word. We will not write B for boy. No, boy is a noun. So that will be wrong. So don't write name of the person, place, anything. You have to write the action words here. One line is done already. I have done it. Same way you will do yourself. C for catch. Catch. We are catching the ball. We catch the ball. So catch is a doing word. D for dance is a doing word. E for enjoy is the doing word. F for fall is the doing word. E for egg. No, egg will be wrong. F for fish. Fish will be wrong. Fish is a noun. fall. Fall is a doing word. G for give, doing what? H for hide, doing what? I for imagine. क्या कर रहे हो? What you are doing? I'm imagining. I'm doing imagination. Imagine. So imagine is also an action word. J for jump. Jump is action word. Kick. Kick is also an action word. Lay for lay. Lay means lie on bed. When we lie on a bed or a floor or somewhere. So lay is also an action word. And then M for move. Move is also action word. You will not write M for mango, M for mouse. No, that will be wrong. We have to write action words here. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. So now we will do grammar chapters every day on English lecture. So you have to be attentive in your class, as well as you have to watch the video very carefully. Okay. For any doubt, you can ask me question in the online class. So till the time, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.